Just because the temperature drops doesn't mean your RVing adventures need to come to an end. It's important to find an RV that fits your year-round climate needs. The Revel, built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, opens up a world of possibilities with its off-grid capabilities and complete four-season comfort. Built on the robust all-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Revel includes active and passive safety features including the auto headlamps with high beam assist in the Revel automatically switch the headlights to low beam from high beam and back when a vehicle is detected ahead. The Revel's active brake assist provides a warning and, if necessary, will brake for you. As a class-leading feature, it is the only system that can recognize and respond to pedestrians. Active lane keeping assist in the Revel alerts you if you unintentionally drift or leave your designated lane. This adaptive cruise control keeps enough distance between your vehicle and the one ahead of you to ensure optimal safety. The Revel's blind spot assist provides warning regarding vehicles in your blind spot. Attention assist in the Revel detects fatigue, and if detected, it will encourage you to rest. Traffic sign assist helps you to identify the correct speed and adjust accordingly. The wet wiper system rain sensor on the Revel includes an integrated wet wiper system to ensure you continue to see the road ahead clearly. The optional customized performance wheels and BF Goodrich TA KO2 all-terrain tires on the Revel feature a longer tread life in dry pavement conditions with aggressive all-terrain traction that is perfect for gravel, rocky, and snowy conditions. The mud guards help protect your Revel from mud and other flying debris. The Revel's Timberline zoned heating and hot water system provides multi-zone comfort for the living and bedroom areas and the water tank. An independent loop sensor prevents the Revel's freshwater tanks from freezing. This optional air conditioning system in the Revel includes directional vents, Bluetooth control, and a built-in thermostat for hot days and warm nights. The Revel's 165 amp-hour lithium battery provides 8,448 watt-hours and is easily accessed from inside the van. The Revel includes a powerful dual alternator that will charge a single Lithionics battery module in less than an hour. The Revel's State of Charge battery management system streamlines communication between charging components to ensure optimal charging and increasing the lifespan of your battery system. The BMS system also includes internal heat for protection from the cold. An additional Lichtsinn RV installed battery may be added, increasing total watt hours to 16,896. The Revel includes an EcoFlow 3,600 watt inverter to provide the whole coach electrical service, including power to the air conditioner if added, and the induction cooktop. The Winnebago Revel allows you to embrace the freedom to explore in any season with its 3M Thinsulate custom insulation. This insulation includes a reflective foil vapor barrier to prevent thermal bridging, providing gap-free coverage. The winterization package in the Revel includes well-labeled valves, courtesy lights, and a siphon tube. The Revel is equipped with a 21-gallon insulated and heated below-floor gray water holding tank. The large heated 35-gallon freshwater tank in the Revel allows the tank to stay warm and is ideal for four-season use. The Revel includes attached roll-up side and rear screen doors that provide airflow and eliminate bugs and other things from getting inside of your Revel. The bedroom curtain provides privacy as well as a thermal break, creating two separate living areas and providing greater cooling efficiency. The windows in the Revel are European-style canopy windows with dual pane properties, including a thermal break and solar reflective property. The Revel's high-tech honeycomb composite flooring ensures an optimal temperature regulation, keeping you cozy in colder climates. When the Revel's bed is raised, you can access the underbed storage. This is a great place to store your warm weather gear, cold weather gear, and all the gear in between. Extend your camping season with the four-season Winnebago Revel Class B RV. Call myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to learn more about the innovative and powerful Winnebago Revel camper van.